Good evening, everyone. The people who are having the doubts, please raise your hand one by one. I will give the option to unmute your mic. People who are having the doubts, please raise your hand one by one. I will give the permission to talk. Yep. First one. In the Zoom, there is an option called raise hand that you have to click. In the Zoom control, you have a raise hand option that you have to click. Yeah. First one, Vaibhav. What is your question?
Sir, hello.
Yeah, hi Vaibhav. Good evening. Vaibhav, yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
Yes, Vaibhav.
Sir, can I speak Hindi?
Speak in English because remaining people also will understand what is your question.
Sir, I know speak in perfect English. It's
Yeah, tell me what is your question.
sir, अभी 14 सितंबर sorry. Hello.
Speak in English.
Sir, I know speak in perfect English, please.
Yeah.
I can speak in Hindi, please.
Yeah. Tell me, because I am not perfect in Hindi, man. I may not understand something in Hindi. Yeah, try. I will try to understand Hindi. If I understand, I will answer your question.
ओके थैंक यू सर सर मैंने अपने क्लास को 1 मंथ हो गया राइट तो मैंने अभी तक एक भी क्लास मिस नहीं किया तो जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं वैसे वैसे आप तो डाउट क्लियर करते हैं लेकिन जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ रहे वैसे ही पीछे वाले जो क्लास हो गए तो कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं हो रही वो कुछ समझ में नहीं रहा है
You are not understanding the previous classes.
हाँ राइट
Are you not practicing?
प्रैक्टिस तो कर रहा हो सर लेकिन वो कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं हो रही
You have the videos also. After watching the videos also, you are not able to understand.
मैं तो वाचिंग कर रहा हूँ सर लेकिन ऐसा क्यों कि
you are listening to the class, you are watching the videos, and you are doing the practice also. You are not understanding means मैं क्या कर सकता भाई?
सर इसके लिए क्या पड़े ऑप्शन क्या
ऑप्शन क्या मतलब ऑप्शन क्या होता है? You guys, you have to understand. You have to because you are studying, right? You have to read that and you have to practice it. You have to practice multiple times, and you have the watch. You have the video also. After watching the video also, if you are not able to understand, then you should come to offline. Come to Hyderabad and in the institute you can sit and you can practice.
ये सबका प्रॉब्लम है बोले तो 85% पीपल का प्रॉब्लम है
No, it is not the problem of 85 people. This is the problem of you.
Sir,
Let me check. Let me check it. Let me check with the people. Guys, anybody facing the problem that you are not able to understand? Vaibhav is telling that he's not able to understand. Anybody having the same issue?
Thoda, it is going little faster. Not that much, but if you
Man, simple. I will tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Outside market, people are completing core Java in 2 months. Do you know that? But here, 1 month completed and oops also not started.
Yes,
how can you say that right. I'm going speed?
The way you are telling is the way you are teaching is faster, not that course is completing fast.
Okay, that's I mean it will be a person to person, it may be some speed, and that is the reason I'm repeating every concept 4 to 5 times in the classroom. Yes, am I not repeating that?
Yeah, you're doing that, sir.
I'm repeating that, and I'm writing the class notes in the live. I'm writing the program in front of you. I'm explaining that. Then if you are feeling that it is fast, then I can't do anything, man.
Yes, sir, you're right.
Yeah. If I explain only once, then you may not be able to understand. That's why every topic I'm explaining more than 3-4 times.
Yes, correct.
Right. Next one. Vaibhav, I need to talk to you, man. Where do you stay, Vaibhav? If possible, please come to Hyderabad, man. Please come to Hyderabad and attend the offline class if you are not able to understand in the online. That is the only one thing I can do for you. Yeah, next question, guys.
Sir.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Hi, sir. This is Sitaram from Bangalore.
Yeah. Hi, Sitaram.
Sir, actually in string, we can create string variable name, new string.
Yes,
literal,
like this.
literal.
You can create string S1 is equal to
new
string of hi. Yes.
Yeah. For that, it will create the object in heap area and string constant pool.
Yes, it will create in the both heap and SCP.
Then it will be for memory will be waste, right? It will create two areas, right?
Yes, it is creating the object in the SCP memory and it is creating the object in the heap also. That is the Java default implementation. Memory matlab, yes, the object is creating 2 times. That is the reason Java is not allowing us to create the duplicate object once again with the same content in the SCP. That is the default implementation. We can't change that.
Okay. String, what is the main advantage of string for going?
String main advantage is to represent the data group of characters. In the project, whenever you are going to develop a project, you are going to fill up the registration form. Whenever you are trying to log in, you will enter your email ID and password. Everything group of characters will be represented as the strings only.
Okay, performance wise, it is somewhat low,
right. Memory only one time the memory allocation will happen in the SCP, na?
Oh, okay.
Okay, performance wise, there is no problem. Every data in the real time, whenever we are developing a project, everything we are going to represent in the string format only. Without strings, we can't represent that data. Suppose, for example, you want to take a bank account. So to take a bank account, what is the data they will ask from you? They will ask your name, your surname, your Aadhaar card number, your PAN card number, your father name, your mother name, your address. So that is a data, right? How to store that data? We need variables to store the data. To store that variables, to create that variables, we need a data types. So now your name is a group of characters. For that, they have to take a string. Your PAN card is group of characters. For that, we need to take a string. Your address, group of characters. For that, we need to take a string. So everything will be represented as a data, as a string in the project development. String is used to represent a group of characters.
Sir, this is Hima.
Yeah, hi, Hima.
To add on to that, as per my understanding, in the heap you will have S1 that is referring to the SCP location where high is stored, I think, right?
Right.
It's not high at both the places, in the heap and also in the SCP. I think it is the S1 reference to the,
S1
reference to the high in the SCP is what is stored in heap, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi, madam.
Sir, can you tell me how to take user input from arrays, sir?
How to take a user input from the array. Now, when we are creating a array, that means, so you mean to say integer array we are creating. For this array, I'm taking the data directly like this, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3. So this is a hard-coded data. Now you want to take this user data from the user. That means you need to take from the keyboard, right? So yes, how many values we need to read for this array now? 3 values you need to read. Okay. Now you need to write this logic. You can read that by using 3 lines of code. Like suppose if you go for buffer reader, br.readline you are going to get. Okay. br.readline is going to give you what? String number 1. That string number 1 you need to store in the array. Array of 0 is equal to integer dot parseInt of number 1. What is the meaning of a parseInt? What is the meaning of parseInt? Convert the string value to int value. I'm storing in the array. Now I'm going to create an array like this with size as 3. Okay. This is going to read the first data. Now similarly, you need to write this. You need to read the second number also. String number 2 is equal to br.readline. Array of 1 is equal to integer.parseInt of number 2. Okay. Now you need to write a third line where you are going to take the number 3, parseInt of number 3. It will be stored in the array of 2. So 3 values we are taking from the user and 3 values we are storing. Here, suppose if my array size is 10 times we need to read it. That is not recommended. For that, we'll go for a loop. I have not explained that concept as of now. Once the command line arguments are completed, I will explain how to read the multiple values from the user by using a loop concept.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Got it? Yes, sir.
Sir,
sir, this is Santosh.
Yeah, hi, Santosh.
So my question is that, so when module 3 will be start, sir? Any idea?
For you people, still we are in the core Java only. Core Java should complete, advanced Java should complete. Na?
Yeah.
Yeah, that means it will take another 2 months of time. Then it will start module 3. After 2 months, module 3 will start.
hi, sir.
Okay. Yeah, hello, sir.
Rajesh from Chennai.
Yes, sir.
With
Please,
regards to the
guys, who is speaking, please tell your name so that I will give you option to speak.
Okay. Hi, sir. Can you able to hear me?
Your name?
Hello.
Yeah, what's your name, sir?
Yeah, my name is Rajesh. I'm calling from Chennai.
Yeah, hi, Rajesh.
Yeah, my only doubt with it, my doubt is with regards to the heap and SCP, right? You show the example number 1, right? Where the high is showed in both heap and SCP. So actual the object high will be stored in SCP, and the reference S1 will have the address for high in SCP, right?
Right.
Am I correct or I misunderstood?
Sir,
so address
here,
of PS,
1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Whenever we create the string object, string S1 is equal to new string of high. This high will be created in the SCP memory because this is a string literal. Got my point. Got my point.
Okay.
Now, as this object is creating by using new operator, S1 reference variable will be created in the heap area. This object, this string object will be created in the heap also, and the S1 variable will be pointing to the heap memory object.
Okay.
Heap memory object.
Okay.
Yep. Whenever you create a new object with the new operator with the same content, one more reference will be created in the heap. But in the SCP, it is not going to allow to create the second object with the same content.
Okay. Okay.
The references, those are pointing to the heap objects. Because string is a special. That is the reason SCP is available. When you go for any other objects, this SCP is not applicable. Only for the string it is applicable.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So for whatever the strings we are creating in heap, for example, we are creating string variable S1, right? So for the string variable S1, it will have a reference address which is mapped to the SCP. So it will go to the SCP and get the string value, string object. Is that correct?
Yes, right.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And another feedback is that at every session, can you add a doubt session at the end of the training session of 5 to 10 minutes? Even 5 minutes is fine. Because if there is any doubt,
1 minute. I understand your point, sir. If I give 5 minutes of time, the problem is everybody will try to ask the doubt. That 5 to 10 minutes of time is not sufficient. Now I will do weekly 2 days. I will arrange the doubt session like this.
Because for module 2, right, we have the doubt session at the end of the thing.
I understand.
Arranging 5 to 5 minutes.
Yeah,
but,
here
but sometimes, right, the session is the doubt is we are having even less than 5 minutes. The doubt clarification is so we can try for 1 or 2 days and see.
I will try
Okay.
that, sir. I will try that.
Okay. Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi, madam. Your name?
Yeah, sir. My name is Sudha. I am from Karnataka, Vijaypur.
Yeah, hi, Sudha. Tell me.
Yeah, sir. You today you explained about strings start with method and ends with method, right?
Right.
Yes, sir. In start with method, you started with the Ashok IT. Only you took a one character A.
That is what you can take one character or you can take multiple characters also to check it. No problem. Suppose if I take Ashok IT, I want to check it. str dot starts with. I'm going to check with A. Is my string is starting with A or not? My string is starting with A. It will give me true. I can check like this also. str dot starts with. I can take ASHO also. That means that method can take either one character or a group of characters also as a parameter. Yes, Ashok IT is starting with ASHO. Still, it will become true.
Okay. My doubt is this one only, sir. In start with method, you took only one character. In ends with the method, you took a two character. So how many characters can
you can take any number of characters. You can take any one. Either one or it is a string. String means you can store multiple. I can do like this also. Still, it is true. If I take like this, this will become false.
Yes, sir. Ordering is not same.
Right. So here, when I'm taking starts with, you can take a single character or you can take multiple characters also. Same thing applicable for ends with also. You can take a single character or you can take multiple characters also.
Yeah, okay, sir. That was my question. Thank you.
Good.
This is Santosh. Regarding this,
hi
regarding
Santosh.
this regarding the start with and end with. So it will take as a case, sir, if we start checking as A capital and A small.
Yeah, it is a case sensitive, sir. It is a case sensitive.
It will start not with AS.
It is a case sensitive.
Right?
Case sensitive. If I try like this, AS, then it will give you false.
Hi, sir. Sandeep here.
Hello, sir. This is Ifra.
Hello.
1 minute. Hi, Sandeep.
Sir, my doubt is, I'm when I'm compiling the programs, I'm getting the exception of file not found, sir.
Did you disable that hide extension for known file types option?
No, sir. How to do that, sir?
Go to File Explorer option in your system. Go to File Explorer, or else share your screen. Did you join from laptop?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, share your screen.
Yeah, just a minute. Are you able to see, sir?
It's loading, sir. Yeah, it's fine. Assignment 1.java, assignment 2.java. Do one thing. Go to press Windows button. Go to File Explorer option. Here, search. Click on search. You have a Windows button in the keyboard. Yeah, type File Explorer. File Explorer options. Here in the settings, you have that, na? Not this. Do once again. Search. File Explorer. Not that. Don't click on that. File Explorer options. You will get it. File FILE. File Explorer options. Yeah. Under settings, first one. Open that. Go to view. Hide extension for known file types. Uncheck this checkbox. Here, last but one.
Okay.
Apply and OK.
Yeah.
Now go to your folder. No. Where your projects are available. Now see, these files are stored with .txt at the end. Because the .txt is a known format, that's why it is not displaying. Now remove the .txt from there. Save it. Now compile. Now you have errors. You need to check it. What is the error?
Yeah. Okay.
So now it's a C drive is CMD, sir.
Sir, and one more thing. when you're writing the programs in the main method, you're using string not array args, sir. You're using three dots.
Yes, sir. You can use either string array, you can use 3 dots also. 3 dots is a variable argument concept we will discuss in the future.
Okay, sir. Fine. Thank you.
Okay, na? Yeah.
Hello,
Either you can take an array or you can take a variable arguments also. Anything is fine for that.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi, madam. Tell me.
Sir, this is Ifra.
Yeah, hi, Ifra.
Sir, I had this question wherein I have this doubt that when we are saving, when we are creating a literal, a string literal, that time it gets saved in the SCP, right? And we know that it is immutable. But we also know that when we create a string object, at that time also it is immutable. Right now, we are very clear about how, why in SCP it is what makes the string literal immutable, because it doesn't let it change the value, and it actually creates a new string if we try to give some other value to that string literal. Right, but what exactly makes the string object immutable? I was not able to understand this, sir.
So whenever we have the string literal S1, for example, suppose, so I got your question. What you are asking that when we are changing the string, it is creating a new string, na? Then why they made it as immutable? Am I right?
Yeah, as in the string literal, it will create a new object itself, right?
Yes,
in the SCP.
simple. Now, for example, assume that string is not immutable. Now, we are working on the project. You and me, we both are the 2 programmers. You are working from Bangalore. I am working from Hyderabad. Now, you created one variable S1 is a Java. I created one variable S2 is equal to Java. How many objects will be created in the SCP now?
Only one.
Only one object will be created. Is that my object or is that your object?
It will be they will be referring to only one object in the SCP.
You created this object. What is your name?
Ifra.
Ifra. You created this object. I created this object. You are from other location. I am from other location. You created this in one program that is called a demo.java. I created another program. This is a test.java. Both programs are running in the same JVM. We are running in one project. Okay. Now, I don't know that you created S1. You don't know that I created S2. Now I have done S2.concat of some other thing, Java lang. Then if a string is not immutable, your object also will be affected, right? Because your object, my object point, your object, your variable, my variable pointing to the same content.
Yeah.
Actually, you don't want to change it. You want to keep it as only Java only. But I want to keep it as a java.lang. Because of my change, your object also will be impacted.
Yeah. Yeah, this I'm clear about, sir. But what I am not understanding is when we are creating a string object with a new keyword, right? So what exactly makes it, like, is there a final keyword or something? What exactly makes it immutable? Like we say that a string buffer and string builder, they are not. They are
no, I understand.
Yeah.
Whenever we say that string S is equal to new string or something, whatever we are creating, you are asking how it will become immutable. We are not using any final keyword or anything, right?
Yeah, that's what my question is. Yes.
You no need to use any final keyword. The reason is our objects are creating by JVM. JVM is intelligent to understand this is a string object. Its content cannot be changed. You no need to do anything extra for that. It is the default behavior.
So what is exactly JVM doing then?
Whenever you create one object, S is there, right? JVM will refer this.
Because like I asked you before, the intern method gets called for the literal.
And that is a different story. Forget about intern. Whenever you call intern, it will check that in the SCP that object is available or not. If it is available, it will give that object. Now you are saying that when this line of code is executed, what JVM is doing. right? When this line of code is executed, JVM will create a high object and it will point that object to the S reference. That object is created. In future, whenever you try to do some more operation like s.concat, so what you are trying that? You are trying to add some content to the S. What is S here? S is a variable. S is a variable which is pointing to one object. What is the type of that object? It is a string object. Then JVM will realize that this person is trying to modify the content of the string object. I should not do that. That logic is there in the JVM. JVM is also a program. Yeah, internally that code will execute. Suppose this is not a string object. For example, I'm going to create one employee object like this in future. In future, I'm going to create one employee object like this. In the employee object, I'm going to do some changes. Okay. Then I'm going to do the changes like this. E is available. By using E, I will set ID is equal to 101. Now what JVM will check? I'm trying to change something in the employee object. Employee object is a normal object. Changes are possible. JVM will directly modify the content of this object. But when you try to do for the string, JVM will realize that it is a string object. I should not do that. That maturity is there for JVM.
Okay, so basically it is not for us, like we cannot understand what is exactly making it.
Because that is a
JVM.
default code. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, that is a default code. We can't see that. JVM itself is a virtual machine for us.
Okay, sir. Yeah, that's
good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, hi sir. This is Hassan.
Yeah, hi Ishwan. Tell me.
Sir, I have faced one interview question recently. Like system.out.println, right? He's asking system is I told them system is the class, println is the method, output. Can you explain me about this brief?
Yes, sir. In order to understand this concept, we need to discuss java.io package. Okay. The reason is here system is a class. Okay. Out is a variable. Out is a static variable available in system class. Okay. Out variable data type is print stream. It is high level because we did not enter into that much level to discuss this. Out is a variable which belongs to print stream. In print stream class, println is a method. So there is a lot of things that we need to understand internally, because when you go for IO package, then we will understand these details.
Oh, okay. No, actually, I have faced this interview question, but he's not satisfied with my answer. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, you need to explain this.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. This is Sitaram again.
Yeah, hi, Sitaram.
Sir, actually, in real-time scenario, where exactly we'll use for loop and while loop, sir?
Yes, sir. Now I can't tell you that now, because once we go to the project, I will tell you. Now see here. In my project, there is a table available. There are 4 courses available. Okay. So how many courses are there in the table? Those many courses I have to display in the table. For this, I will use a while loop. Okay. Now, and one more thing, if you go to my home page, in the project home page, I'm displaying only 8 courses. So only 8 times the loop should execute. This is for loop. And how many courses are available? This is a while loop. So this you will understand in the project's development, not now. For now, as I told today, we are learning a language. So many doubts will be there. Those doubts will be clarified once we start the development of the project. Now we need to focus on the language basics, language fundamentals.
Okay, sir. One more, sir. Actually, when you are going to explain after completing of the topic, please provide more examples, sir, so that we can
I'm doing that, sir. I'm already doing that, man. In the arrays, how many examples I have given?
Yeah, you are providing more only, but still other ways will be there, right? That also when we are going
after class is complete, I'm explaining some examples in the class. After that, I'm sending some examples in the group also for practice.
Okay.
I'm doing that already.
Hello,
yes.
sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi Anjali.
Yeah, hi, sir. This is Anjali. I have a small doubt, sir.
Yep.
Actually, sir, in nested loop, how to create pyramid shape, sir?
Pyramid
How
shape.
shape
Okay,
is,
yeah, I will
can you
explain that. Sure, I will make a video on the pyramid program. I will show you that.
Okay.
In the nested loop, already we have done the pyramid, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, actually, no, sir. Only we have to triangle, rectangle, left triangle, right triangle, and square shape. You have
No, Anjali. I explained pyramid. Pyramid and left triangle, right triangle, left triangle, pyramid. 3 programs I have explained. When we go for pyramid and left triangle, both are same. Just one space will be different. I have already explained that program.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have you one more doubt, sir. Sir, can you find these array elements pairs whose the sum of equal to given number? Sir, can you please explain one, sir? I didn't get, sir, this
Simple.
question.
Integer array is equal to 4, 5, 7, 1, 1, 2, 9, 6. Okay.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Now I want to get sum is equal to 8.
Okay,
what I mean to say is, in this array, which pair of elements are equal to 8? You tell me generally. You just check it this. You just check this. Which element pairs are equal to sum 8? You tell me. In this array, which element pairs are equal to that sum 8? If you add the elements,
Yes,
which
yes,
element
yes.
sum will become 8?
2, 6.
6,
7, 1, 6,
7,
2,
1, 6, 2.
6.
7, 1 will become 8.
6,
6,
2,
2, sir.
6, 2.
6, 2 will become 8. 5, 3 will become 8.
Five.
Now
Eight.
3 is not there.
3 is
Three is not there.
Yes, sir.
Only two.
Only 2
Two
pairs.
pairs.
Only 2 pairs are available.
Yes, sir.
So now, how can I find out this? How can I
Find out this.
Okay. First, I am going to take a for loop. Integer I is equal to 0.
0.
I less than array dot length.
I plus.
Yeah. What is the purpose of this loop? What is the purpose of what this loop is going to do?
Array elements of the sum is equals to given number.
Iterating.
What is this loop is doing?
It is iterating all the elements.
I am getting the elements from 0 to
0 to
last.
Yes.
Now, first I will get this element. How can I compare this element and the other element sum is equal to 8? I need to compare this element with this element. 4 plus 5 equal to 8 or not? 4 plus 7 equal to 8 or not? 4 plus 1 equal to 8 or not? I need to compare this element with, I need to sum this element with all the other elements. Then only I will know the sum is 8 or not. That means for this element I have already. I will get this element. How can I get this element? Based on the index. Array of I. Can I access that element? What is the meaning of array of I? I value is what? 0. When I take array of I, what will happen? I will get this. Now this element I need to sum with all the other elements in the array. How can I sum this element with all the other elements in the array? That means I need to access this element. I need to access this element. I need to access this element. Do I need to write one more loop or not required?
One more loop.
One more loop is required.
One more loop is required. Yes, sir.
That in loop I am taking integer j is equal to
J is equals to
I plus 1.
I plus 1. Yes, sir. I plus 1.
J is equal to I plus 1. J less than
array dot length.
J plus plus.
J plus plus. Okay. Now, when the I value is 0, what is the J value?
1.
1. That means now, if I take array of J, what I am going to get now? I value is 0, J value is 1. That means what will happen?
4, 5
plus
5.
4, 5, sir.
4, 5. Now I am checking 4 plus 5. Array of I plus array of J. That means 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 8 or not? I am going to check it. How can I check it? 4 plus 5 is equal to 8 or not? By writing a if condition. By writing a if condition, I am going to check it. If really 4 plus 5 equal to 8, then what I will print? System dot out dot println of array of I
plus
comma array of j. What it will print? If 4 plus 5 is equal to 8, 4 comma 5, one pair it is going to print. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Now suppose array of I is 0, that means 4 I got. Array of j is 5, 4 plus 5 equal to 8. Condition not satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Because 4 plus 5 is 9.
Yes, sir.
Now this is not satisfied. When this is not satisfied, j value will be incremented. J value will become 2. What is the meaning of j value 2? It will take 7. I value is first this one is 4, this one is 7. 4 plus 7 matching?
Not.
No, not sir.
No, sir.
Then j value will become 3.
3.
When j value will become 3, what it will take?
4 plus 1.
4 plus 1. Not matching. It will check with this, not matching. It will check with this, not matching. It will check with this, not matching.
Not matching.
So inner loop completed. That means if you add 4 with any other element, the sum is not 8. Okay. With this inner loop completed. Inner loop is completed because inner loop executed for all the elements completed. Then once the inner loop is completed, we will go for outer loop. I value will be incremented. I value will become plus plus. When I value will become plus plus, then what will happen? J value will start from I plus 1. I value will be 1, J value will be 2. Okay, that means I value will become 5, J value will become 7. 5 plus 7 matching? No.
No,
then
sir.
J value will be incremented. Then J value will become 1.
1.
5 plus 1 satisfied? No.
No, sir.
5 plus 2 satisfied? No.
No.
5 plus 5 satisfied? No.
No, sir.
5 plus 6 satisfied?
No.
Inner loop completed. Then J value will become, J value is inner loop completed, and then I value will become 2. When I value is 2, what will happen? 0, 1, 2. Now it will get the 7. I value is 2. Then J value is 3. This will get 7. This will get 1. 7 plus 1 matched or not matched? It matched. Then it will print 7 comma 1 as 1.
Yes. Condition is satisfied, sir.
Now you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next question, guys.
Hello. Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. The resume workshop videos, would that be available?
Yes, sir. Video also will be available. Please attend the live class, and video also will be available for that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Sir,
how to create no sir, like we have string methods, no sir, can we apply that to string buffer and string builder?
So you need to check in the API. All the methods of the string not available in the string buffer. All the methods of the string buffer not available in the string. So because these are two different classes, which methods they are available, only those methods we can use.
We cannot
how can
apply
you? No, simple, madam. All the methods, how can we apply one class methods to another class? Some methods can be, whatever the methods that class is providing, only that methods we can apply. How can you apply one class methods in the another class?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one more doubt, sir. Actually, we can do the sorting process by using sort method and for loop also, sir.
Right.
Actually, in real-time scenario, what is the best practice, sir? Best way to do, sir?
You can do the sort by using sort method, no problem.
Then
but
why?
No, I will tell you. When you go for interview, they will ask you to write the logic on your own to see how good you are logically. Okay. Now, how can I understand you are a good programmer?
Yeah.
By seeing your logic only, na?
Yes.
Then
but
if you use sort method, then how can I understand whether you know programming or not?
Yeah, you told that there is time complexity, space complexity. Both are same only, right? By using sort and for loop also same.
It will be same. It will be same.
Okay.
But if you write the logic on your own, that means you have the grip on the subject.
Yeah.
If you use a sort method, that means you are using somebody code.
Yes. Got it.
In the interview, you need to write your own logic. In the project, we will use sort method only.
Yeah.
Hello.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Right.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi Roshni.
Hello, sir. Sir, as we know that in primitive type, that when we reassign the variable, that previous variable will override the new.
Override, yes.
Okay, but sir, in string, when we create a new string literal or string object, will it override or will it go for garbage collection?
It will override. Suppose, for example, now you are creating string s is equal to hi. String s is equal to hi. Now you are doing s is equal to hello. What is the meaning of that? Can I say it is
Hi
reassigning?
Yes.
Hi will be available. Hello will be available. Yes, yes will be referenced to hello. Now hi will become not referenced object.
Yes, yes.
When the garbage collector come, this will be removed.
Okay.
It will become unreferenced object.
That is I'm asking, sir. That will it be available for garbage collection? Yeah.
Yes, right.
Thank you.
Sir, Akash referred on the same question. Where hello will get stored?
Hello will be stored on the SCP only. The S variable will be pointed to hello.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yep, sir.
Yes, sir, I am Hitesh from Odisha.
Yeah, hi Hitesh.
Sir, my question is, I am using string literal to create an object. And this is stored in SCP?
Yes, SCP. If you do like this, it will store in SCP.
Yes, sir. Then I am using new operator to create an object. It will be store both SCP and heap.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you,
if
sir.
You do like this,
sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
It will be stored in the SCP, and yes, this object will be stored in the heap also with S1 reference.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, next question. I am confused between sir address and content. Which data is address and which data is content?
So here, this is content.
Yes, sir.
This is content. Address. There is a method called hash code. As of now, I have not printed any address of the object. We will discuss that address in the coming classes. Currently, yes is a variable which is holding hi. Hi is a content. Address is different. We are not showing you the address. We can't get the address. Internally, JVM will maintain the address.
Okay, thank you, sir. My dad is clear.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Sir, I have a question from the previous class. Sir, in yesterday class, you have told that in example one that there are 7 objects. I don't get it, sir. How there are 7 objects in string SCP and heap?
Let me go to that. This one only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here, how many objects will be created by this line?
1 object.
1 object. When it comes to this line?
So both are same, no?
Yeah. How many objects are available?
1 object.
1 object.
2 objects.
When it comes to here, it will become
2 objects.
It will become 2 objects, right? Because already this object available in the SCP, so it will not be created in the SCP. It will be created in the heap. 1 object in the SCP, 1 object in the heap. So total it became 2 objects. Now, when I do like this,
3 objects.
3 objects. Ashok IT already there in the SCP, it will not create. Only in the heap it will create. Now the count became 3 objects. When I do like this,
5 objects.
5 objects. Why 5? Hello is not there in the SCP.
SCP.
It will create 1 object in the SCP and it will create in the heap also. Already 3 objects available. Now it will become 2. 3 plus 2 total. How many objects are there?
5.
5 objects. Now when I execute this line, hi is not there in the SCP. 1 object will create in SCP. 1 object will create in the heap also. 5 plus 7?
7 objects.
7 objects. You got
okay,
it?
Sir. Understood.
Yeah, good.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next question.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, my name is Tushar Moria.
Yeah, hi sir.
So my doubt is array. So जैसे multiplication of the two matrix, addition of the two matrix.
Multi-dimensional arrays.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right, sir. So multi-dimensional arrays there are not that much using in the project. That's why I've gave you one simple example on that. If you want, I will explain that also.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So जो पैटर्न के क्वेश्चन है सर इसमें सो लॉजिक नहीं सेटअप हो पा रहा है.
कौन सा वाला मैं अभी बोला वो वाला?
जैसे सर जैसे पिरामिड तो हो जा रहा है और अनदर कोई उठा रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन तो नहीं बन पा रहा है.
Yeah, logically you need to think that, man. I will prepare some pattern printing videos.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir. For interviews purpose, is it more important multidimensional array for programs?
Multidimensional array not that much important because in the project तो हम use ही नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
But in the interview they may ask 1 or 2 questions on that.
Multidimensional. Programmatically, sir, we are practicing more on arrays, single dimensional array. So, should we more practice on multidimensional? So,
you can practice 2 to 3 programs. Like we already know how to create multidimensional array and how to access it. Practice how to perform addition, how to perform multiplication, and all.
Okay. Basic. Okay.
Basic. That is sufficient.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir. This is Rajesh from Chennai.
Yeah, hi Rajesh.
Earlier you were saying something about that garbage collection, right? For the string. Yeah. Can you repeat it?
Yeah, garbage collection, that is a future topic, sir. So there is a lot of stuff that we need to understand.
Okay. Fine.
We have
That's
not
fine.
covered that.
Yeah. Okay. And one more question, sir. Okay, every time the video, right, the recordings is getting uploaded the next day around afternoon. So
1 minute, sir. Rajesh, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Daily 40 batches are running. So admin has to upload those. This is not the only one batch in the institute, right?
Okay.
Yeah, it will take time. That is the reason we told that 24 to 48 hours is the time.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, please give at least 5 minutes in the video last that for doubt clearation for online student also, sir.
Yeah, sir, that I will try from the next day. Okay, from Monday we will try that. The thing is, once the class is completed, there are 50 offline people. They are coming at a time for the doubts, and if I give for the online also, it will become confused. Nobody can understand anything.
But at least 5 minutes.
If I give 5 minutes also, 100 people are joining. If I give 5 minutes, how many people will ask the questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, weekly 2 times is better, sir.
That is better. If I give 5 to 10 minutes also, nothing will work out there because everybody will ask the questions. I can't clarify any question there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, actually, sir, new string hello that yes, sir. New string hello that question is when created both section, sir, hip and SPS.
Yes, CPS both.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. From now, I will create weekly 2 days. One I will create on Wednesday. Another one I will create on Saturday.
Oh, okay, sir.
That will work out for us.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Hello, sir. Yeah, this is Satya, sir.
Yeah, hi, Satya.
Actually, I have a doubt regarding, suppose we have string buffer and string builder class, which is internally use char array, I think.
Yes, char arrays they will maintain.
Yeah, so why we don't use directly the char array concept?
You can use that also, but whenever you are using a char array, creating the char array, storing the data into char array is difficult. Na?
Right,
suppose I want to store my name. Okay. Yeah. So if I take string name directly, can I store it as Ashok, something like this?
No, okay. I need to write some logic maybe. Yeah.
No, directly for string I can store like this.
Yeah,
suppose if I want to store that as a char array, how can I do that?
Yeah.
Is it easy for me to
write some logic for that?
I need to write like this, na?
Yeah. So in project scenario, if we see that, is there any particular scenario that we have that we need to use char array concept instead of string?
Instead of string, sometimes where we go for char arrays when we are dealing with the passwords, na? For hashing purpose and all, char array is recommended.
Right. So there is a certain problem maybe occurred if we take string, I think.
Right. Yeah, that is what security. Because of immutability and security constraints will be there. So if I explain that security scenarios and all, do you think that people will understand?
No, sir. Fine. That is the right.
Yeah, as I told you, we are learning core, language, basics, fundamentals. There is a lot in the Java that will come once slowly will come to that. Garbage collections and all this memory management, everything will come in the future. Securities, everything will be covered.
Sir, another question I have. Sir, how to create a immutable class? Suppose if anyone asks
that is also there is a final keyword is available. Now string is a mutable class. Final keyword is there. When we go for final keyword, we can create with that keyword.
Sir, is a SOPLN statement we have. Sir, it degrades the performance of a program.
Correct, because it has to write the message always to the console. In the real time, we don't use SOP. SOP we are using just to understand what output we are getting for our logic.
Yeah, because if you write any string, it will create object background again and again.
A lot of performance issues will be there. In the real time, we don't use it.
Sir, another question is in SCP when the object is created, can we request JVM to for the garbage collection?
Whenever you request garbage collection to remove the object, there is no guarantee. May come, may not come. Because garbage collection functionality programmer cannot control. Only JVM will control that.
Yeah, because in normal string we can request by unreferencing
even normal object also, if you request garbage collector also, there is no guarantee that will come. It may come, it may not come.
Yeah, but in case of SCP we can't request also.
Yes, we can't do that.
Yeah, right.
SCP is completely a special memory, will be managed by JVM.
Yeah. Sir, is there any difference between isEmpty and isBlank method?
We'll come that. Yeah, we'll come to that, sir. We'll come to that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, another thing regarding the course doubt actually. Sir, how many days it will take to complete the core job part? Actually, I need to a certain deadline actually to plan regarding this.
Sir, now I can't give the exact time because I don't know how people are going to receive the OOPS concepts. If people are able to receive the OOPS concepts easily, once OOPS are completed, that means half of the course is completed.
Right.
After the OOPS, I can tell the tentative time. Now I can't tell you. OOPS may go 10 days, or OOPS may go 15 days, or may go 20 days. It depends on how people are reaching that. If people are giving the response when I'm teaching, then we can move forward. Otherwise, I need to repeat the concept because I can't complete the OOPS in hurry. OOPS, I need to dedicate the proper time for that.
Yeah, for OOPS and for collection actually.
Yes, collections also damn important.
Yes, sir. And after the completion of core Java, we will need to start advanced Java or it will be parallel.
Yeah, right. Advanced Java we will start it.
We can start parallelly also, sir. Or
I will plan that. I will see how once the OOPS is completed, then we can start with advanced Java.
Yeah, because it is very lengthy. If we will one after another, it will take many time actually.
Yeah, right. Got it.
Spring Boot and microservice will take minimum 4 to 5 months maybe.
Yeah, those two you can Spring Boot and project you can do parallelly.
Right. Sir, are you going to complete cover the Spring part also?
Some basic part of the Spring I'm going to cover, sir, because directly you can't understand the Spring Boot.
Yeah, so sir, I need to attend any Spring class or else, or I can understand Spring Boot by that knowledge Spring.
Yep.
Sir, this is Hima again.
Hi,
One
Hima.
question. In your real-time project, you have Angular. And I know there is React.js also. So of these two, which is mostly asked? Is it Angular or React?
Both are having equal demand. So it depends, right? So whatever you keep in your resume, based on that, they will ask the questions.
Okay, so I don't have any idea about either of these. So if I go into that real-time project, would we be taught
I will
concepts
teach
of Angular?
that. Yes, I will teach the concepts of the Angular. Angular course I'm going to teach.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, sir. Sir.
Hello.
You're writing the code. When you're writing the code, you're following the coding conventions, no, sir. Can you tell what are those? I mean, after class creation, so for the main method, how much space you are giving, sir?
That spacing is not important.
For
that spacing is not important.
Better, sir.
That now you don't need to worry because we are using Notepad now. So tomorrow, once you go to IDE, that spacing we can adjust properly. Because in the Notepad, sometimes I may give some space here. I may give some space here like this. I may create it. No? Okay. Don't worry about it because once we go to IDE, IDE will manage all these spaces.
Okay. And
we can format the code in the IDE.
Yeah. Okay. And one more thing, sir. When we use the nested if, we have used first if, then else if, then else if. Last we used else, sir. In my project, there was if, then if, then if. So it was like that. So how should
it depends on the requirement, right? Suppose I'm writing one if condition here. If condition, then only I want to execute that logic. Instead of writing else if, directly I'm writing another if. This is also possible.
So it is two interdependent.
There is no dependency in between these two. So these are two independent if conditions.
Okay, separate.
Yeah.
Sir, for the first if, where is the else will be, sir?
Else is optional, no? It's not mandatory.
Okay,
if sir. They want to write else, they will write it. Otherwise, they will not write it.
Okay, sir. Fine. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello. Hi, Ashok.
Hi,
this is Suma.
Suma.
We have string buffer, and string builder, 3 classes, right?
Correct.
So we have some common methods, right, for these 3 classes.
Correct.
So are they related, these 3 classes?
Common methods are there, and some common methods, the logic is same. Now they have their different classes, different methods. In those methods, they have written the same logic.
Yeah. Common methods, how they are related? If they have the common methods, how these classes are related?
These 3 classes are independent. There is no relation. First thing. Okay.
So for the common methods also, they have
example.
different implementation. You are saying?
Yeah, implementation is different. I mean, implementation can be same. Suppose simple example, I will purchase a red color shirt. You will purchase a red color shirt. Both are red color. These are different. This one I have purchased. That one you have purchased. Okay. Here also,
but the functionality is the same, right? So suppose if we take a substring method, so it is the functionality will be same, and that is a duplicate code, right?
Implementation internally same. So internally, whatever the code they have written, that is same. In that Sun Microsystem has done that coding.
So that I'm saying that is a duplicate code, right?
How can we say that this duplicate? Have you seen how they have implemented? They might have implemented one method and they are calling those method in the 3 classes also. How can we come to that conclusion?
Okay, has a relation. You are saying okay. Okay.
Right.
And this equals ignore case, is it a direct method of string class? Equals is a not direct method, right? Equals ignore case is direct method?
No. Equals also a direct method because equals method is overridden in the string class. Equals is actually in the object class. They have overridden that method in the string. In the string also we have equals. That is
equals
the overridden
ignore
method.
Case?
Same. That is also direct method in the string. They have implemented that in the string class.
Okay, that is a direct method. Okay. Yeah. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, this is Gantesh, and you are preparing some material regarding this core Java, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Tomorrow, tomorrow you will get for all the 3 chapters notes.
Okay.
Yeah, I have done all the editing and all because I'm keep on adding the programs to the material. I want to make it more perfect. That's why it is getting delayed.
Okay, sir.
Anyhow, you are getting the running notes. Whatever I'm writing in the class, same thing will be there.
Yes, sir. We can access that.
Do you think today notes I have uploaded or not? I forgot it.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
This
hi.
is Roshni again.
Hi,
Sir,
Roshni.
will you going to complete Spring JDBC or directly Spring Boot?
JDBC, I will explain some examples on that as
well. Means firstly Spring Core, Spring JDBC, and then we will jump into Spring Boot.
Correct.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more question is there. So, for 1 or 1.5 years of experience person, sir, Hibernate and Spring Boot is enough?
Enough, but you need to have full stack development knowledge with the tools also.
Yeah. But I'm asking about backend. I mean, framework.
Yeah, sufficient. Spring Boot is sufficient. Spring Boot microservice also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Microservice also.
Okay, sir.
Sir, tomorrow is holiday or we have
resume class is available now?
Okay. Yeah. This regular class is not available.
Yeah, regular class is not
there. Study material, right?
Yes, sir. I told that.
Ready to?
Yes, sir. It's ready, sir. I'm going to share that.
Okay.
All right. Anyone else? Any question?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, sir. My question is regarding module 2. Actually, I'm how to access module 2 backup videos.
We already asked you to send an email. For that, we
yes,
gave the access.
I've already sent it.
You got that. We gave the access for the people who send the mail. Please log in into our platform and check it. You will have the access.
Yes,
same doubts from me also, sir.
The people who want module to access, we already gave the access. Almost for 90 people, we gave the access. Who don't have access, please send the details to this mail ID. Admin, I already posted a message in the WhatsApp group to send the details to this mail ID, and he gave the access also. Who
yes,
don't have the access?
in mail I have received another reply that it will be available on new teachable platform, but what platform I can't find that. That's why I'm asking.
I gave that platform link also in the WhatsApp group where the videos are available.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I will post that once again in the group.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So please explain about public static void main.
Madam, you can't understand that now because public static, these are like public is a access modifier, static is a keyword, void is a return type. It is too early to discuss that.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, I'm Amit from Bihar.
Yeah, hi, Amit.
Sir, yes, sir. I am attending offline classes, sir, from Hyderabad.
You're attending already?
No, sir. I am from Bihar.
Yeah, you can come to Hyderabad. You can attend offline classes. There are 50 people attending offline class. At the same time.
After
you can
Diwali, I come, sir.
After Diwali, you can come and you can attend. If anybody,
okay, sir, thank you.
If anybody is not doing any job, I request you to come to Amirpet and attend the offline classes because we have the lab set up. You can sit here, you can practice, your doubts will be clarified. You will make some friends. You will share the subject. You will improve your communication. Lot of things are possible. If you are sitting in the home and listening, you are the only one person. If you get some problem, you will get stuck there.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Kirtana, sir. I'm from 3rd year. I'm studying right now, sir.
Yeah, hi Kirtana. Which college?
Rabu, sir. I'm from Vizag.
Vizag. Okay. Yeah. Tell me, Kirtana. How you came to know about Ashok IT?
My cousin, sir. My cousin has suggested me to take this course, sir.
Okay, good. Tell me.
I have joined after the Dasara, sir. I'm trying to complete all those previous classes.
Okay.
Am I eligible for this course, sir?
Yes, you're eligible. Are you able to understand?
I can able to understand the present classes, before classes. When you are saying coding is, I can understand, sir. But again, I want type means I'm forgetting, sir. I can't remember.
Yeah. Please go through. Please complete the word videos as early as possible, so
yes,
that you will get that logic. Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Good.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi, sir.
This is Nitin, sir.
Hi, Nitin.
Yeah, I'm doing only your whatever you telling. I'm doing well practice and daily. And if I am getting some problem, I'm going to see next time see videos, sir. But learning well, but I'm getting most of the time videos are not accessing. It's the 4001 error giving. So my learning flow is breaking, sir. Now I am complaining 2-3 times to their admin. Now videos are accessing, but sir, but why are the videos are not?
No, you. What is your question? Why videos are?
Not accessible, sir.
You can access the videos within
Yeah,
24 hours.
currently I am accessing. If I miss the class or only 1 or 2 classes I have missed, but I am daily attending and also doing practice well.
Daily videos we are Nitin. Daily videos we are uploading. Daily videos you can access.
Yeah, no, sir. After 4 videos accessing, around 10 days I am not able to access the videos. Is a 4001 error coming, and after module 2 also joining.
No. Try that, sir. Maybe it's because there is nothing that we can do from our side for that. So if there is a issue, that means that website having some issue. Please delete your browser cache and log in again. It will work.
I already did, sir. Then I think next day, almost 10 to 12 days after you created new account for me, so I'm able to access. Then after 1 week, same problem come. So I WhatsApp.
Whenever you get the problem next time, let me know, because there is nothing that, because for everybody same platform, for them it is working, for you it is not working. So whenever you whenever you get the problem next time, please let me know. I will check it. What is happening?
Yeah.
Sure.
Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hello, sir. I am from Pune.
Yeah, hi,
Vishal
sir.
Rathod.
Hi, Vishal.
Actually, I want to come at Hyderabad after Diwali.
Yeah, please come.
So, can I get any contact details or hostel information?
Yeah, you just directly you come to our institute. Our institute people will guide you for the hostel.
Because I don't know anyone there. That's why.
Yeah, no problem. You can come to our institute. Our institute people will guide you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Our admin will tell you where to find the hostel and all. And if you come to the institute, right, there are 50 to 60 people who are coming to classes offline. They are staying in a hostel. They will guide you. They will suggest you best hostel also. You can make some friends.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
I am Vaibhav.
Hi, Vaibhav.
I am from Pune location.
Hi,
Actually,
Vaibhav.
I am working in a private firm, but I have only 6 months of experience. They are paying a bit low. So
Okay.
can you suggest to whether
Yes, sir.
to change or?
Yeah, once this course is completed, you can change Viber now. So you are working in the company, so you can understand some real-time concepts, real-time environment. Once ये कोर्स खत्म होने के बाद आप चेंज कर सकते हैं, आपको अच्छा पैकेज मिलेगा.
Okay.
ठीक है ना? अभी चेंज करें तो आपको स्प्रिंग बूट माइक्रोसर्च नया आता है ना? अगर अभी चेंज करें तो
Actually, they are providing me a project that is form modernization, where I know little bit about REST and all.
Okay. So just wait for another 4 months. So you will get perfect, and then you can change. Then you will get good package. Now you focus on the learning part.
Yes,
Okay?
sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
After 4 months, then you can try.
Sir, in institute, what are the timings for labs, sir?
From 9 to 6 o'clock it will be available. 6 o'clock our class is then. The morning 9 to 6 it is available. You need to bring your laptop.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Fine, guys. Good. So tomorrow I will see you in the resume workshop class. Thanks for joining.
Saturday also will be available, sir.
What Saturday?
As a lab, sir.
Yeah, Saturday also will be available.
Okay,
Sunday also will be available.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Thank you. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Hello,
Please join the class tomorrow. Yeah.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah. Hi.
Sir, is this video uploaded?
Today's video not uploaded, sir. We will upload by tomorrow morning.
No, not sir. This video, whatever we are doubt clearing video.
This doubt clearing, there is nothing now. So if you want, I will do it. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. Thank you, guys.